Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is find x minus 3 whole to the power x equals to 81. So let's see. See, 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 and it also can be written as minus 3 whole to the power 4, right? As the power is even, 4 is even number. So as the power is even, this negative will become positive. We all know it. Okay. So now see here minus 3 to the power x equals to minus 3 whole to the power 4. Why we are taking the negative minus 3 value? As in the left hand side there is a minus 3. So we are just trying to match the bases. Okay. So here both in the left hand side and the right hand side both bases are minus 3, so the power must be equals. Okay, so x will be equals to 4. This is the answer. So simple question. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.